When people talk about Arduino, what they're really referring to is a special type of open source microcontroller, a tiny computer that can be used to control other devices. Whether you notice them or not, microcontrollers are all around us. They help us to interact with machines and each other. They wake us up and get us moving. These powerful devices have been around since the 1970s, but all that micro power came with a big price tag, both in terms of cost, as well as time spent learning how to use each individual board. Fortunately, that all changed within the last decade. If by now you're wondering what this funny-sounding name is about, let's take a trip to Ivrea, Italy in the early 2000s, also known as the Naughties. It was here that a small group of colleagues from a graduate design program decided to meet at a place of higher learning. The name of that meeting place was Arduino. Their goal was to make simple and inexpensive tools for students and inventors to quickly sketch their ideas onto hardware without having to reinvent the wheel every time. To make this vision a reality, they combined a single-board microcontroller, a programming language, and an integrated development environment, or IDE. Then they released their designs to the public as an open-source platform. What this means is that anyone can freely download, modify, and improve on them, and then upload their new creations for others to use. You can even build your own Arduino microcontroller from scratch if you're so inclined, or pick up a kit that comes bundled with lots of other useful parts. All in all, the Arduino is a great way to learn about electronics and programming while creating fun projects that you can modify to your liking. If you're itching to get started with your first project, you can click here to learn how to use one of these funny-looking LED lights. Or if you already have some experience with electronics and programming, there's a wealth of resources online to help you dive into more advanced projects. Whatever you make, be sure to share it online so that others can learn and draw inspiration to keep the creative wheels turning.